Manipur Government Services Federation, in short MGSF, has fully endorsed to the nationwide strike called by government employees and trade unions. Several associations of the various state government departments affiliated to MGSF, including Civil Secretariat, Health Institutions, Education Directorate, Youth Affairs and Sports, Nursing College, Electricity and PHC, joined the protest. Speaking to reporters, MGSF President L. Sadad stated that the Federation supported the protest because of its demands are closely linked to those of the Federation and state government employees. He said that the demands include release of 18% DADR to bring parity with central government employees, initiation of the process for implementation of the recommendation of the 8th Pay Commission, enhancing the retirement age from the existing 60 years to 62 years, and restoration of the old pension system, among others. Sadad also expressed gratitude to the state government employees for supporting the protests.
Strike as support of the Columbian Sayaki, monitor to Germany, Mayam, Punamakna, Opum Hana, Sabucho, PP, Masigi, Damota, Quina, Pensioners Union, Aruga, Manipur Government Services Federation, Anina, Mayam, Karmasari, Sansan, Kurinoko, Department Karmasari, Kurinoko, Quina, Tagato, Muxeri, Matunazo, Equi Punamak. Function Luna, a quick Pongkom Topa, Ainayaba, Sakari Kamasari, Amada Pongkom Topa, due benefits and pay commission, recommendation implement on bar, due the release topa, promotion backlog Topipa, promotion avenue Sembiba, Masipunama, all pension restored topa, high Zimba demand Punamuse, Sahi Sambu Punachimba, demand Punamuse, Economia Punna, Madung Sanksi Minasi.
National Trade Union Congress, in short INTUC Manipur branch, today organized a protest at the premise of Minor Irrigation Department, Imphal, in solidarity with the nationwide protest called by various trade unions. Several state government employees associations under INTUC, including Minor Irrigation Department Employer Association, Manipur Electricity Department Employer Association, Imphal Municipal Employer Union, and Imphal Municipal Corporation participated at the protest. During the protest, the protesters denounced the replacement of MG Narega by Vikshit Bharat G Bill 2025, policies designed to privatize public sector while raising 10 demands. INTUC Manipur branch President Yumnam Ranapratap, General Secretary S. Sanjeet, Legal Advisor Irom Privishu and Women Wing Chairman T.H. Savita also took part at the protests.